How to change Hulu email. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then move into the site hulu.com. It will land you on this official page of Hulu. Well, if you haven't logged into your account, tap on login at the top right corner. Enter your email address and the password of your Hulu account. But if you have forgotten, you can easily recover it by simply tapping on Forgot email address or the password. Once you have entered your access details, tap on Login. Well, you have been logged into your account. Tap on your profile at the top right corner and then head over to Account. Inside your account option, you will find the option where it says Email. Right beside that email, tap on Change Email. Well, you will receive one verification code on your email address. You need to copy that code and enter it here. Once you have entered, this interface will pop up. Enter a new email address that you want to add. And for the confirmation, re-enter your email address. Click on this checkbox and tap on Save Changes. Your email will be successfully changed, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can change Hulu email. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for staying with us till the end.